Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see to fix the fatal error UE4 client game has crashed issue in Weathering Waves. You can follow these troubleshooting steps. This error usually indicates a problem with the Unreal Engine, the game files, or your system compatibility. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you resolve the issue. The first step is to update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of game crashes. To update that, you just need to open up a GeForce Experience. If you don't have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for this GeForce Experience download link. For AMD users, open the AMD software, select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing this, just to close stuff here. The second step is to verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files can cause crashes. Verifying the integrity of game files using the game launcher can fix the problem. To do this, open up Epic Games, click on the library, click on the three dot icon next to Weathering Waves and select Manage. Select Verify Files. After getting verified, and let's move on to the third step, guys. The third step is to run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrative privileges can resolve permission related issues. To do this, open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to the Weathering Waves and select Manage. Select the folder icon to open up install location. Double click on the Weathering Wave game folder. Right click on the Weathering Waves.exe and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab and checkmark Run this program as an administrator and select Apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, just close stuff here. Now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. The fourth step is to update Windows. Ensure your operating system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on Open the Windows Update settings. Click on check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it, guys, and make your operating system up to date. After doing this, just close stuff here. The fifth step is to disable overclocking. If your system or GPU is overclocked, it can cause instability with some games. What you have to do is reset any overclocking settings to default and restart your computer and try launching the game again. The sixth step is to increase virtual memory. Insufficient virtual memory can cause crashes in demanding games. To do this, go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Click on open it. Select the advanced tab under the performance, select settings. Select the advanced tab and under the virtual memory select change. You just need to uncheck this option, guys. Automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. Uncheck it. After unchecking it, select custom size. And you just need to check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Depending on how much RAM you have, you just need to copy and paste here, guys, the values. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. And the maximum size, copy the value and paste it. After that, click on OK to save changes. Select OK. Select Apply and OK. And after doing this, you need to restart your PC, guys. The seventh step is to disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with the game. Perform a clean boot to minimize interference. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration. Click on open it. Select the services tab and select hide all Microsoft services. And then you need to select disable all. And you need to check mark which are the services you want in startup. I recommend to check mark the NVIDIA services and VGC service and anti-cheat expert service. After check marking it, select the startup tab and select open task manager. In here you need to disable all startup programs guys. Just right click on it and disable it. After disabling it, just close stuff here. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, try launching the game and check if the problem solved or not. The eighth step is to reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Ensure you have the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables installed. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option in DirectX and download it. And another one is Visual C++. Scroll down. Depending on what type of bit you have, click on the link. This is 32-bit link. This is 64-bit link. After getting download done, you just need to install these both application, and after getting installed done, you just need to restart your PC guys. The ninth step is to adjust game settings. Lowering certain in-game settings can reduce the load on your system and prevent crashes. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard escape key and go to settings gear icon and select the picture icon to open up graphics settings. Select the graphics quality set to low and scroll down. FPS set to 30, shadow quality low, special effects quality set to low, LOD BIOS low, capsule AO set to on, and volumetric fog turn it off, volumetric lighting turn it off, motion blur turn it off, anti-aliasing turn it off, and VSync turn it off. After doing all these changes, just close stop here, and now you are ready to play the game guys. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the fatal error UE4 client game has crashed issue in Weathering Waves and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.